ese reka nkubaze ujya usengera umugabo nawe ibaza atangiye gukomplaininga ku muntu uri guseka ibaza uyu ari umugore wawe ukajya ubyuka ugiye ku meza ngumva kubwira ibintu zama nkoreye urabona wa muturanye asohoye imodoka hari igihe ushaka abantu ukahita ureka kugura radiyo ndayigura nzayumve ryari ushatse mbere isi ukagura radiyo yo gaspillage abahagaze amakuru buri mudugudu wamo umuntu uri i Kanombe ukumva kugira ngo hari impanuka ibereye Kicukiro muri Kanombe man ngo hapfuyemo abantu bagasubibwiwe n'iki ngo hari umujama wanjye twavugana uri kuhanyura man. Oke twakomeje amashyi menshi cyane kuri Leonce kutoka Canada.
Thank you guys. How you guys doing? Thank you. Man, I'm happy to be here. I'm glad to be here. Last time I was here was in 2019, and I'm telling you, I loved this so much that I actually wanted to come back every year. And then COVID hit, and I got laid off, man. I was broke as fuck. No job, nothing. So there was no way for me to come back. And, you know, with everything that's bad about COVID, like, it actually taught me a lot. I never thought I would actually agree with people telling me racist shit. You know what I mean? Because, like, I'm over here and these white people are like, go back to Africa. I wish I could go back. You know? I did wish I could go back, but I couldn't because I was all broke. Man, white folks are the weirdest and funniest people on the planet. Only at a white dinner party does someone fart and everyone pretends like nothing happened. Yes. And how do I know? Because I've done it before. I was once having dinner with these people and I just went, boo. And they actually kept eating. They kept enjoying their meal. Like, yes, this meal is really delicious. Yes, and the fart mix is good too. You know what I mean? Because as an African, if you're having like a delicious meal and smelling stinky ass farts at the same time, I feel like I'm chewing on the farts too. Yeah, man. But Jesus Christ, man. But how are you people actually doing? Like weird shit. Man, I hope no one is fucked up, man. I actually hope everyone is doing good. Because I was once hospitalized for 3 months with malaria. That was back home in Tanzania. And like everyone around me thought I wasn't gonna make it. Like 3 months in the hospital. No one actually thought I was gonna make it except me. Why? Because even though I was all messed up, my dick actually still worked. So I was the whole time, man. I had hope. Like I'm a guy with hope. The whole time, I knew I would make it, and like it wasn't all bad. I had a good support system, good friends, good family who would always send me gifts and letters. But one thing I noticed in the letters, like people who didn't send gifts, who sent letters, they would always said, "We're sending you thoughts and prayers." We're sending you thoughts and prayers. And I always think to myself, what the fuck? Thoughts and prayers? Don't send me your thoughts and prayers. Send an envelope of cash instead. And then send your thoughts and prayers to your hopeless friends. You know? The ones always begging and praying to God. Please, God, send me a car. Send me a girlfriend. Like, hey, man, why don't you just go to work and talk to some girls? And maybe your prayers will be answered. Jesus Christ, man. Like, when I was messed up, I would be thinking to myself, if you want to send a brother something he would really appreciate, send some pussy. Yes. If they think about it. If they figure out a way to mail pussy in a mailbox, trust me, there will be a lot of guys at the mailbox every morning. Irregardless if they send them anything. Yes, man. Yeah, real shit, man. Like, no, I didn't actually grow up around black women, which was kind of sad. I grew up in a little village of like white folks, and something I have noticed, and this is true. Now I only knew it from social media. Now these white women don't got no ass. They don't. But the other day I was in Kigali. I'm telling you, man, I'm so new. My eyes, I'm always looking around everywhere I go. Yeah, I saw a girl walk right past me, and now I was sure I saw her. Now she left, and 2 minutes later, her ass walked right past too. All right, thank you, everyone. That was my time.
Wongera inyana ubwayo